desire coach. Today I'd like to speak about the importance of being in a love vibration. Now, when I'm talking to people about manifestations, I often say to them, you know, that being in a love vibration helps us to draw to us what we're desiring. But I received the feedback that they don't know how to, especially if they're, you know, in a particular state of worry or anxiety or what have you. It can be a bit difficult. So that's why I suggest appreciation, because when we're appreciating, we're actually raising our vibration. And then if we're in a continuous state of appreciation, in a state of gratitude, we match the vibration of love. So this is an easy way to get into a love vibration and to make ourselves magnetic to what we're desiring. What I suggest is you start your day in appreciation. Just start your day by appreciating the fact that you got up, and you know, whatever else you can conjure up. And then throughout the day, have the intention to appreciate. And then especially at night before you go to bed, unravel your day, go over it, and find all the things that you can to appreciate. This will help relax you, actually giving you a better night's sleep as well. So don't only do it for your manifestations, but also for your well-being. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you there. Thank you.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.